In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save Outlook email as PDF. This is a super useful feature when you need to archive important emails, share conversations with colleagues, or keep records for compliance purposes. Whether you're using Outlook on Windows, Mac, or the web version, this method works across all platforms and takes just a few clicks. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Outlook and navigate to the email you want to save as PDF. Click on that email to open it fully. You want to make sure the entire email is displayed, including any attachments or message threads you want to capture in the PDF. Next, click on the File tab at the top of the screen and select Print from the menu. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+P if you're on Windows or Command+P if you're on a Mac. This opens the print dialog much faster. If you're using Outlook on the web, the process is slightly different. Look for a printer icon, usually located in the toolbar at the top of the email. If you don't see it, click the three dots icon to open the More Options menu, then select Print from there. Now, in the print dialog box that appears, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Printer. This is where you select your output destination. Click on that drop-down and choose Microsoft Print to PDF. On some systems, this might appear as Save as PDF or Export as PDF, depending on your operating system and Outlook version. Once you've selected the PDF option, click the Print button in the dialog box. Don't worry, this won't actually print a physical copy. Instead, it will generate a PDF file. A new window will pop up titled Save Print Output As or something similar. This is where you choose where to save your PDF. Navigate to the folder where you want to store the file. You can create a new folder if needed, or save it to your desktop for easy access. Give your PDF a clear, descriptive file name so you can find it later. Something like the email subject line or the sender's name works well. Once you've chosen your location and entered a file name, click the Save button. Your email is now saved as a PDF in the location you selected. You can open it anytime using any PDF reader, share it via email, upload it to cloud storage, or print it later. And that's it. You've successfully saved an Outlook email as a PDF in just a few simple steps. This method works for individual emails, email threads, and even emails with attachments. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.